There are a number of different models of reflection out there, all of which provide a slightly different way of looking back on experiences and learning from them. On a basic level, however, most of these models involve a cycle of reviewing experience, analyzing it, learning from it, and coming up with a new action or behavior. Four models of reflection have been detailed here for you to choose from. First of all, Borton's reflection model. It is possibly the simplest of the four models. What? So what? Now what? What is the description and self-awareness level of the experience? What actually happened? So what is the analysis and evaluation level? What is behind the experience? What are the outcomes? Now what is the synthesis level? Building on the outcomes of the previous two, we try to come up with new alternative actions and behaviors. Kolb cycle. The first stage here is that of experience. It's concerned with the actual experience, what actually happened. Immerse yourself in the task. The second stage is the stage of reflection. It involves stepping back from the task and reviewing, analyzing, and judging the experience. What did I do? How did I feel about it? The third stage is that of conceptualization. It's concerned with developing an understanding of what happened by seeking more information, interpreting the events, and understanding the relationships between them. And finally, the planning stage. It is concerned with taking this new understanding and using it to try out new ideas. The third model is that created by Hatton and Smith. They developed a four-level developmental model of reflection. The first stage is descriptive writing. At this stage, describe the experience, but without analyzing it or giving any reasons for the actions you took. Think of the key processes and factors in this experience. The second stage is descriptive reflection. At this stage, give reasons for your actions based on your personal judgment. Do it in a reportive way. Why did you behave or react the way you did? How did you feel during this experience? What were you trying to achieve? The third stage is that of dialogic reflection. Dialogue with yourself, or with a friend, or coach, or a mentor. Look at possible reasons for your actions and feelings, and explore the experience by hypothesizing possible alternatives. What factors influenced your actions? What other choices did you have, and what would their consequences be? And finally, the stage of critical reflection. In this deepest level of reflection, try to arrive at a solution, action, or improvement by considering the impact of social, cultural, and historical influences on you and your behavior. And finally, the fourth and last model is that by Brookfield. Brookfield identified four activities central to learning how to be critically reflective. The first stage here is the assumption analysis. So our beliefs, values, cultural and social influences, all of these things have a great impact on the way we perceive reality and act. Think about what your beliefs, values, and cultural and social influences are. How do they impact your actions? The second stage is that of contextual awareness. This level of awareness is achieved when you come to realize that the assumptions you identified earlier have been created in a social, environmental, historical, and cultural context. The third level is that of imaginative speculation. Try to develop alternative behaviors. Imagine other ways of looking at and acting in a given situation. Explore as many alternatives for the given situation as possible. And finally, reflective skepticism. It is the outcome of the previous three activities. At this stage, put into question any universal truth claims. Just because something has been believed to be true does not make it true. Similarly, because something has been done in a particular way for years does not make it the best way of doing it.